Thank you for your purchase of Funride Everest 2-in-1 tricycle. This beautiful product comes with strong body, wide wheelbase, musical head, and attractive looks. This beautiful product can be assembled in some simple steps by using these parts. You will also need a piler and a screwdriver to assemble. Step 1. Take the main body and place rear wheels to the main body with the help of axle pin on both sides. Now, place rear wheel caps to the wheels, on both the sides. It's time to insert front fork complete to main body to be able to place handle to the fork with a lep lock button. In the next step, fix gondole to fork with the help of plastic bolt. Now is the time to place seat to main body. Fix seat to the main body with the help of provided butterfly nuts. In the next step, insert the flute pipe to main body. Now attach the movement rod from front fork to the flute pipe, and to the front fork to make it functional. Let's set up the parental handle. First, place handle to the pipe with the help of butterfly nut. Now is the time to place handle to the flute pipe. In the last step, insert the battery to musical head to activate electronic functions. Your beautiful Funride Everest 2-in-1 cycle is now ready to use.